Alright, I wasn't going to do a video on this, but I'm going to go ahead and do one just 'cause I'm kind of doing the black rice. So, and to be honest, like, I really don't have very good sterile technique. Kind of lazy. I don't know, I've had pretty good, you know, I had like 30-40% tops contamination rate. That was actually on my first couple of bags. On these last ones, I've had like almost none. Maybe out of like 20 bags, maybe like one's gone south. So I'm gonna be kind of doing something a little bit different. So I'm gonna basically do like half of this in each one of these bags, and then just try to split this pretty much evenly. So likewise, quarter. All right. Kind of makes kind of a pain in the butt, but all right. I'm probably going to need to use this to kind of bust up some of the... So this is one of the last jars well, actually I have some more, but this is the last of the lion's mane. My next batch is actually in bags. I really like the bags. So you don't have to do shit like this. Oh, son of a bitch. So if it falls down, I'm not even going to bother even trying to use that. Don't need it. Looks like about half to me. And then give it a couple of handfuls of this. Maybe 3 handfuls. Oh, there goes Grandpa's clock. Alright, that's about that. Wipey the edges. Oh, that's shit. Alright, well that's it. Follow along if you want to see more.